Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This is Henjiadu here. This video is about the pronunciation of Chinese. By this table, you are able to pronounce all Chinese characters. Don't be shocked. Take it easy. Very simple. This Latin phonetic symbol system was created between 1955 to 1957 in China mainland, called Pinyin, literally means a spelling voice. Because of many beginners take Pinyin as Chinese, I have to point out that Pinyin is just a phonetic symbol system, instruct the people to pronounce real Chinese characters. As you know, in ancient time, people took another different system. Based on Latin letters, this system becomes very simple and memorable to the globe. All the symbols are divided into three different groups. The first group is Senmu, translated as initials, but I'd rather call it original voice. The second group, Yunmu, translated as finals, but I'd rather call it rhyming voice. The third group is whole syllable. As you know, the pronunciation of the Chinese characters is a single syllable. Most of them are spelled by combining one initial and one or two finals together. And the rest of the characters are whole syllable. Do not need to spell. But as long as you check seriously, you'll find out that some of whole syllables are identical to initials, and some are identical to finals. Actually, some Chinese characters just pronounce with one initial, and some Chinese characters pronounce just with one final. So, in this case, this whole syllable group seems useless. To my opinion, I think that the inventors introduced this whole syllable group just to avoid tedium. Another peculiarity of Chinese is tones. There are four main tones to Chinese language. Let me take R as an example. The first tone, R. The second tone, R. The third tone, R. The fourth tone, R. Many beginners feel that the third tone is very hard to pronounce. Actually, it is as simple as others. Let me show you like this. It is very familiar to you. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Okay, now remove yeah away. Just remain O. Oh. Oh. Okay, now even the whole voice. Oh. Oh. And the shortened voice. Oh. 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 Right? Very simple. And let me show you with the other pinyin. E, first tone E, second E, third tone E, fourth E, 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 E. Next, U, 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 U. Very simple. Okay, now just have a pen and a piece of paper. Follow me. Very simple. Let me take the first tone as demonstration. The first one, bo, bo, u. This is u, o, wo, bo. Then plus bo, spell bo. Next, same, po. Next, same, mo, fo. Next, t. spell it. Same. Same. N. Next. L. Same. Next. G. Next. K. Next. H. Next. G. Just like the air leaked out of a small opening in a sharp movement. For example, G, boom, G, boom. The beginning sound of fireworks. G, G, G. Next. Chi, chi. This sound, just like the air leaks out of a big opening in a sharp movement. For example, the air leaks out of a tire. Chi, chi, chi. Very easy, right? And also the same sound like the stream train. Ooh, ch, ooh, ch, ch, chi, chi. And next, C, first tone, C, and just like a C, S-E-A-C, but C is the fourth tone. The first tone is a C. Okay, next. Z, z, same as English. Z, z. Curve your tongue a little bit. Prolong the voice. Z, z. Next, same. C, c. Next, s, s. Curve your tongue a little bit. Hey, you know, I'm a Southern Chinese. We, Southerner, almost do not curve our tongue. Next, same as English. Prolong your voice. Next, z, z, c, c, s, s. Do not curve the tongue. Next, e, e. Next, u, u. Okay, this group. A, o, e. Open along the voice. Next, u. Same as this u. Next, u, u. Okay. First, pronounce sh, 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 in English. Sh. Then open your throat and shake it. Sh, 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 u. So I mark with this broken line. Sh, sh, remove sh, keep an u. And next, very easy, right? And next, I, R-E-I, A. Next, we. Next, ow. Next, o. Next, ew. Next, yes. Remove S away and keep the first tone. Yes is the third tone. Yeah is the first tone. Yeah, yes. Move S away. Yeah. Next. Next. Compare with this. Curve your tongue a little bit. Next, an, en, in, u, en, wen. Next, ü, en, yun, ü, en, yun. Next, an, next, en, in, Very easy, without any difficulty to pronounce all these voices. Okay, the final group. This is a whole syllable group, and the pronunciation are almost the same as initials and the finals. Z here, z, c, sh, r, z, c, s, u, i, ü, ye, yue. Next, in, in. Okay, note please, this whole syllable is pronounced as yun, yu, en, yun, yun. Although this whole Latin letter system simplify the mark of Chinese pronunciation, but they still cannot match perfectly. And this whole syllable is a special case. Yuan. Okay, look, here's another special case. This IAN is not belong to this whole syllable. It's spelled by E and an, but the voice is yen, not yang. No, it's yen, yen. It is another special case. Yen, yen. Okay, here, next, very important. Here, the inventors played a trick to the whole system. They stipulated that while spelling G, Qi, Xi, Yi with Yu and remove the two dots away, then it becomes Ji, Yu, Ju, Qi, Yu, Qu, Xi, Yu, Xu, Yi, Yu. Okay, not Ji, U, Zhu, not Zhu. Okay, return back to Yuan. Actually, here's the two dot. And check this. It's very clear. Yi, Yu, An, Yuan, and remove two dots away. And Ji, Yu, An, Juan, and also should remove these two dots away. And Qi, Yu, An, Xuan, Xi, Yu, An, Xuan, Yi, Yu, An, Yuan. Okay, very simple, right? Very simple. By this table, you're able to pronounce all Chinese characters. Next, let me practice by spell them and give you more impression. For example, ba, bu, a, ba, pu, o, pu, zi, zi, I, zai. Let me bring in tones. Z, I, zai, first tone. Zai, first tone. Zai, second tone. Zai, second tone. Third tone. Zai, zai, third tone. Zai, fourth tone. Zai, fourth tone. Next, qi, yan, first tone. Qian, second tone. qi yan qian. Third term, qi yan qian. Fourth term, qi yan qian. Qian 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 qian. Next, qi yi an qiang. Qi an qiang. First term. Second term, qi an qiang. Third term, qi an qiang. Fourth term, qi an qiang. Qiang 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 qiang. Okay, very simple and easy. The more you practice, the better you will be. And to be a beginner, I think many books you will come across are with the Pinyin to Chinese characters, which facilitate your practice. And the main input way of Chinese characters is also Pinyin system to your computers, cell phones, etc. The mastery of Pinyin will help you to communicate with one another in an easy way. But finally, I still have to point out that this Pinyin system is not Chinese. It is just a phonetic symbol system. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel to have new favorable videos in near future. Thank you for your time. Oh, by the way, if you figure out good ways to fill in these two blanks, please leave your comment below to complete this table. Thank you again. See you.